my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a simple, real, important story about honesty. There was a boy, named Farhan. Farhan was smart. Farhan was friendly. But Farhan had one weakness. Sometimes he told small lies. One day, Farhan broke his friend's toy by mistake. He felt scared. He thought, if I tell the truth, my friend will be angry. So he said, I did not do it. His friend believed him, but Farhan felt heavy inside. His heart was not peaceful. At night, he could not sleep. His mother noticed and asked gently, my son, what happened? Farhan spoke slowly. I told a lie, and now I feel bad. His mother smiled kindly and said, honesty is not always easy, but honesty gives peace. Ease may save you today, but the truth saves your heart forever. Next morning, Farhan went to his friend. His voice was shaking. He said, I am sorry. I broke your toy. I was afraid to tell. His friend looked surprised. Then he smiled and said, thank you for telling the truth. At that moment, Farhan felt light. He felt free. He understood something big. Truth may be difficult, but lies are heavier. From that day, Farhan decided he will be honest, even when it is hard. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Honesty may be difficult, but honesty gives respect. Honesty gives peace. Do not be afraid of truth. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep speaking truth. And always remember, honesty makes you strong.